Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
Many people in Nepal are looking to invest in the stock market, and opening a brokerage account online makes it incredibly convenient. You no longer need to visit a physical office, saving you so much time and effort. It's a fantastic way to access investment opportunities directly from your computer or phone. This video will guide you through the process, making it straightforward and easy to understand. To open your online brokerage account, you'll first need a few key documents. Have your citizenship certificate or national ID ready, along with a recent passport-sized photograph. Crucially, you must already have a functioning DEMAT account and a Mero Share account linked to your bank. These are essential for holding your shares and managing your online transactions. Your first step is to choose a reputable stockbroker in Nepal that supports online applications. Once you've picked one, head over to their official website. You'll usually find a clear button like Apply Online or Open New Account. Click that and start filling in the digital form with your personal information, your bank details, and your existing DEMAT account number. It's pretty straightforward to complete. After submitting your online form, the next crucial step is uploading clear scanned copies of all your required documents. The brokerage firm will then thoroughly review your application and the uploaded paperwork. They might even call you for a quick verification. Once everything checks out and your account is approved, you'll promptly receive your new brokerage ID and password, allowing you to finally begin trading. With your account active and ready, you can now transfer funds directly from your linked bank account to your brokerage. Remember, always do your own thorough research on companies before deciding to invest your money. It's wise to start with smaller investments, as this helps you gain valuable experience and confidence in navigating the market. Happy investing, and may your journey be prosperous.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.